Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73. Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73. Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call.
In a minute, we are
145
about to begin the evening net of DX1PRS. All stations, please stand by. Sige break, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 30th day of November 2020. It's a Monday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. The DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna, and I am working with Yaesu FTM 7250D, hook up to Commit GP-1 antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero-bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling on any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1PRS, standing by. Any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. Dex 1 Perez will be listening. Second call to any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. Dex 1 Perez will be listening. Nothing heard. Please be advised that this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Before proceeding with the net, we would like to inform all stations on monitor that we have about 18 days check-in left before the launching of the raffle draw on December 19 to those who qualify based on the frequency of check-ins. Please continue supporting Dex 1 Perez Evening Net to have a bigger chance to win the exclusive t-shirt from Dex 1 Perez with your personalized call sign on it. End of announcement. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join Dex 1 Perez Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. For Dex 1 PRS will be listening.
Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform.
Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie.
For Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima.
I heard three clear stations. Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, and for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. Any more stations?
Reds 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, good evening.
Okay, additional station, Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, and together with Portal 1 Echo Charlie Bravo. Any more stations? Okay, we will start the net by calling on the station of Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform from the group and one of the net control stations of the group. Tito Nelson, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rutboy, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, for Dex 1 PRS, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Advice lang po at nakalive po tayo sa Facebook. At pwede po kayo manood or makinig sa live feed ng Facebook. At walang ano pang mensahe, 73.
Thank you for that announcement, Tito Nelson. Now we are live on Facebook. Anybody can check in on that applications on Facebook. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Nelson. Thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, is now loud and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie. Tito Mark, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 PersNet.
Yes, good evening, Tito Rutboy, at good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, supporting Evening Net. No other traffic ay 73 at mabuhay, ingat-ingat.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Mark, at paalala at malapit na ikaw ma-qualify sa ating patimpalak. Palagi na lang mag-suporta at mag-join sa ating ugnayan. At maraming salamat. 73, keep safe at your station, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima from General Trias Cavite. Tito Nato, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 PersNet.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Net Control. Good evening, fellow hams. For Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima, with the handle of NATO. Transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic. Just supporting the evening net. 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Nato. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FiersNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima is now logged and clear. Next station, Fortel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra from the group. Tito Fred, good evening. Welcome to our GoofNet.
Good evening, Rude Boy, and sa lahat ng mga nakamonitor for X1 Delta Bravo Sierra. And thank you and supporting PRS and joining the net from the group. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang, Muntinlupa, no traffic 73, and mabuhay and keep safe. Over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Fred. Also, you have a chance to qualify also for the raffle. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, is now logged and clear. Next station for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, together with Fortel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, Tito Al and Tita Nanette. Good evening. Welcome to our GoofNet. Likewise, God bless and more power Tito Al and Tita Nanette. Thank you for always supporting our GoofNet. And also, we would like to congratulate you for as of this moment, you have perfected the check-ins. Just continue on checking in for a bigger chance to win the coveted prize. For Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, together with Fortel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, are now logged and clear. Any more stations would like to join the X1 FiersNet, please give your call sign for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, listening.
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf Stroke 1.
Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra, please hold on. Yung nakasabay po ni Tito John, pakibalik.
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf Stroke 1.
DW3 Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Tito Roel, please stand by. Any more stations?
For G1 Alpha Zulu Oscar.
For G1 Alpha Zulu Oscar, Tito Pimac, please stand by. Any more? For Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima, please stand by. Josie, any more stations? Okay, calling the station of DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra from the group, the head of our Technical Affairs Committee, Tito June. Good evening. Welcome to our GoofNet.
Good evening, Root Boy, to all station monitors. DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra supporting the net of our group, the X1 PRS. 73 is no more traffic, and mabuhay. Good evening.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito June. And also would like to inform you that you are already almost qualified to the raffle draw. Just keep on joining our evening net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra is now logged and clear.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Tito Dan, copy na for I1 Mike Whiskey Sierra. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Yung mayroon pa po nakasabay, pakibalik po. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, Tito Adimar, please hold on. Any more stations? Orange 1, Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire, please stand by. Any more? Okay, indulgence, gentlemen, unahin ko muna ang two stations, medyo malayo at mahina sa receive ko, baka mawala. calling the station of Delta Yankee 3 Papa Charlie Whiskey from Tito Adjumar from Tarlac. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet. Calling the station of Delta Yankee 3 Papa Charlie Whiskey, Tito Adjumar. Good evening. Please go ahead. '73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Adjumar, 5x3 and Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 3 Papa Charlie Whiskey, is now loud and clear. Next station for I1 Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Bolter. Also, would like to remind you that you are about to be qualified on the raffle drop. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for NG1 Papa Uniform Victor is now loud and clear.
DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
For Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf and D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, please stand by. Next station, DW3 Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, Tito Ruel. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Salamat, magandang gabi, Rude Boy. DW3 RQG. Northern traffic, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Ruel, and congratulations for always checking in. You have 100% attendance as of this date, and you have a good chance to qualify for the raffle. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3 Romeo Quebec Golf, is now, Stroke 1 is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar, Tito Pemak. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Yes, good evening, Control. This is for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar, supporting Dex1 PRS net call from the group of Dex1 ART, transmitting Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. Maraming salamat, keep safe, magandang gabi.
Keep safe, 73, and mabuhay Tito Pemak. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima Kadyosi. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet. '73, keep safe, and mabuhay Kadyosi. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima is now loud and clear.
DU1 Sugar Mike Quebec.
D1 Sugar Mike Quebec, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik. For Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf on portable, stand by, gentlemen. Naunahin ko muna ang portable. For Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf, Tito Dindo ng Comembo Makati on portable. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet. Likewise, God bless 73. Keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf on portable is now loud and clear. Next station for NG1 Mike Whiskey Sierra, Tito Dan, one of the net control stations of DX1 Papa. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Ganda gabi sa'yo, Tito Rotoy. Ganda gabi, Tito June. Tito Nelson. Tito Vincent. Maganda gabi sa mga net controller ng Dex1 PRS. Maraming salamat po, Tito Rotoy, at 73. Mabuhay po. Salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Dan. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Whiskey. Sierra is now loud and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PearsNet.
Ngayon, magandang gabi dito, Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay Tito Romano. Pinaparating po sa inyo na naka 100% po kayo ng pag-check-in itong petsa na ito. At patuloy lang po na mag-suporta at mag-check-in sa ugnayan ng Dex1 Perez at para makakamit po ng gantimpala. Yung inyong himpilan, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po at libre na.
For India 1, Echo Bravo Hotel.
DY1 55 Papa.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Okay, 3 stations for India 1, Echo Bravo Hotel, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Papa, and for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Please stand by. Next station, Delta Yankee 3, Papa, Charlie Whiskey. Tapos na pala po. Pasensya na. Next station for Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Golf, Cafeli. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PearsNet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay Cafeli. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Golf is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot from the group and one of the net control stations. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Copy likewise sa 4G1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Root Boy, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi rin sa mga kapwa amaturista at magiging amaturistang Pilipino. Ilang Root Boy at doon sa mga perfect at check-in natin na station, 2 times silang, 2 beses silang magkakaroon ng chance na mapasama sa raffle. Lahat ng perfect at doon sa mga lahat na naka-qualified. Yun lang, Root Boy, at no other traffic, just supporting our RoopsNet from Calamba City, 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa for the net.
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa. Tito Darius, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Okay, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra, and DU1 Kilo India Yankee. Please stand by. Any more stations? Okay, acknowledge the station of Tito Jun, and thank you for that information, Tito Jun. At uulitin ko po, yung mga sakaling magkaroon ng mga perfect attendance from the time na nag-launch tayo ng paraffle October 20 until the last day of December 19 ay automatic magkakaroon sila ng raffle draw, and then after that magkakaroon ulit ng second draw for those na-qualify na hindi yung naka-perfect. Yung after ng mga naka-perfect, mayroon pang another draw na gagawin sa mga na-qualify na define natin kung ilang check-ins. So masasama pa rin yung mga hindi nanalo doon sa 100%, masasama pa rin yun doon sa raffle draw. Maraming salamat, Tito Jun. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Next station DU1 Sierra Mike Quebec. Tito Romy, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PearsNet.
Good evening, Road Boy. Good evening sa lahat na station na kumonitor. Checking in to the DX1 PRS at no more traffic, 73. Mabuhay DX1 PRS. Salamat.
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Romy, thank you for always supporting the X1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Sierra Mike, Quebec, is now logged and clear.
4 Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie.
Copy, 4 Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie. Tito Raymond, please stand by.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Tito Richie, please stand by. Next station, 4Tel1 Bravo Delta Golf. Tapos na pala. 4-1 Echo Bravo Hotel. Tito Monty, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, all on frequency and members of DX1 PRS. This is Monty, 4-1 Echo Bravo Hotel. Transmitting from Mandaluyong City, just supporting your net this evening. Thank you so much, 70, and be safe always.
73, keep safe, and be safe also, Tito Monty. And thank you for always supporting the X1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel is now logged and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Papa Lolo Pedro. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PairsNet.
Gandang gabi po, ang inyong Lolo Pedro patuloy na tumatangkilik at sumusuporta sa inyong panggabing lambatan sa gitna ng pandemya. Lagi pang pangarap at panalangin ang inyong saman ilang bago pa sa madarating na dekada. Mabuhay ang PRS!
73 manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Lolo Pedro, at maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1 Lima Papa ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima Tito Elmore. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Likewise, Tito Root Boy, magandang gabi for G1 PUR for the X1 PRS. Magandang gabi all stations on monitor. This is for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Just joining the net, no further traffic, 73.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Elmore. At also to inform you na naka 100% ka to date ng check-in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima is now logged and clear.
Delta Zulu 1 Charlie for the net.
Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, please stand by. Okay, next station, Delta Whiskey 1 Romeo X-Ray Papa Tito Darius. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Delta Whiskey 1 Radio X-Ray Papa, just checking in for the evening net. No important traffic, may 73, magandang gabi. Salamat, over.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Darius. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy. Magandang gabi. Halina sa ugnayan ng DX1 PairsNet.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalala ang buwabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. No ato traffic, Karex Karel. Salamat po.
73 manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Boy. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo na sa kasalukuyan ay naka 100% din po kayo ng attendance or check-in dito sa aming ugnayan. Patuloy lang po kayong mag-check-in para makasali po kayo sa ating raffle draw sa December 19. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Tito Rico. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PairsNet. 73, keep safe, and buhay Tito Rico. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar, Sierra. Sierra is now loud and clear.
For Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Echo.
For Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Echo, Camilo, please stand by. Next station, DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee, Kaed. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay Kaed. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee, is now loud and clear.
DV1, KWM.
DV1, Kilo, Whiskey, Mexico, Vice, please stand by. For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie, Tito Raymond, good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, all stations on monitor. For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie, checking into the net, no traffic. 73, lakas ng splatter ko. Mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Raymond. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1, Victor, Bravo, Yankee, Tito Ritchie. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Good evening, Alan Root Boy. Good evening, all around. Stay safe and 73 from DN Victor Bravo, Yankee.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Ritchie. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Victor, Bravo, Yankee, is now loud and clear.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, coordinate.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, Jason, please stand by.
For Hotel 1, Victor, Uniform.
For Hotel 1, Victor, Uniform, Tito Boro, please stand by. Any more? Calling the station of Delta Zulu 1, Charlie, Tito Caster, good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Root Boy. Magandang gabi, DX1 PRS. Delta Zulu 1 Charlie ng Calamba City, Laguna. Checking in, no traffic. 73, Papua.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Caster. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Zulu 1, Charlie, is now loud and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo, Cameloy. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Twice, Tito Root Boy. Good evening. Good evening to all station on monitor. For Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Echo. Checking in, supporting the net with no traffic. 73, mabuhay, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Cameloy. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo is now loud and clear. Next station, DV1, Kilo, Whiskey, Mexico. From the group, our Vice President, Vice Alaric, good evening. Welcome to our GoofNet.
Good evening, boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Just support our net call, no traffic. 73, mabuhay. Kayo.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Vice Alaric. Thank you for always supporting our GoofNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1, Kilo, Whiskey, Mexico, is now loud and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta, Jason. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Po, Tito, magandang gabi po. Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, joining the evening roll and evening net call of the group DX1 PRSNet 73. Mabuhay po, Tito Root Boy. Magandang gabi. 73.
Good evening, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Jason. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, is now loud and clear. Next station, Portal 1, Victor, Uniform, Tito Boro. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet.
Magandang gabi for Hotel 1 Victor, uniform. Supporting the net, no other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Boro. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Victor, uniform is now loud and clear. I'd like to acknowledge the station of DU1 Victor Lima Zulu Pangalusbi. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Permission, Tito.
Yankee, Quebec, Juliet. Point G1, Yankee, Quebec, Juliet. Tito Ricky, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRS Net.
Good evening, Tito Ruth Boy, and all around. Just supporting and joining the X1 PRS Net. No traffic, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ricky. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Yankee, Quebec, Juliet is now loud and clear.
Permission, Tito Rotboy.
Sige, Tito Nelson, standby muna, may pumasok na taga District 3. Pakibalik po yung taga District 3, Delta Yankee 3, go ahead. Okay, Delta Yankee 3, Delta United Victor, Tito Albert ng Marilao, Bulacan, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSNet. Magandang gabi din, Tito Albert, and 73, keep safe and mabuhay. You're coming here 5 by 3, Booming Audio sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRSNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 3, Delta Uniform Victor is now loud and clear. Tito Nelson, go ahead.
Magandang gabi. Permission, Tito Rotboy, marami-rami ito, mga 4-5. Pakilista na lang din.
Okay, go ahead.
Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie, Romeo Foxtrot, Handel, Juni, QTH, Zamboanga City.
Pakabilik, Tito Nelson, yung ano niya, yung ang name niya, handle niya.
Juni. Location is Zamboanga City.
Juni, paki-alpha phonetics ya.
Juliet, Uniform, November, India, Echo.
Okay, copy that. Next station. So that is Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, QSL.
QSL, Tito. Next is Delta Yankee 4, Papa Romeo Sierra, and Del Carlo, Charlie Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar. Location is Camsur, Camarines Sur.
Okay, copy that. May record na tayo. Go ahead. Next station.
Delta Yankee 3, United Papa Mike, Andel Raymond, Mekuwayan, Bulacan.
Okay, Delta Yankee 3, Uniform Papa Mike, Handel Raymond from Mekuwayan, Bulacan, QSL.
QSL, Tito, itong sumunod, nag-check-in sa iyo, nadinig ko, tinawag mo. Itong isa naman is Delta Yankee 3 Echo Tango Charlie QTH Bulacan Balagtas Bulacan. Handle is Emelito Echo Mike Echo Lima India Tango Oscar.
QSL, copy that, Tito Nelson.
Ito naman, Delta Victory 7, Foxtrot, Golf Alpha. The handle is DJ, Delta Juliet, Cebu City.
Okay, Delta Victor 7, Foxtrot Golf Alpha, handle DJ, Cebu City. Okay, any more?
Delta Yankee 4, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, handle Foxtrot India Tango Zebra, Kamsur.
Anong prefix niya? Pakibalik, Tito Nelson.
Foxtrot Romeo Delta.
Foxtrot Romeo Delta, QSL.
QSL dito, Delta Yankee 4, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, Iriga City, Kamsur.
Teka, pakibalikat. Foxtrot Romeo Delta. Ang prefix niya, Delta Whiskey 4 ba?
Delta Yankee 4.
Okay, Delta Yankee 4, Foxtrot Romeo Delta, and ang handle niya ay si Tito Fred ba? Fred?
Pitch, yung nakalagay rito eh. Foxtrot India Tango Zebra.
Bali saan siya, Kamsur?
Iriga City, Kamsur.
Okay, copy that. Mayroon pa?
Sana lang. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Calaca, Batangas, Jesse.
Victor Oscar Zulu, Delta Victor 1 ba yan?
Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Calaca, Batangas, handle is Jesse.
Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Caraca, Batangas, QSL. Jesse?
QSL, Tito, pack knowledge na lang lahat at ano. Baski sabay-sabay mo na lang.
Copy that. Okay, indulgence, may mag-check in. I would like to acknowledge the following stations who check in on Facebook. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Johnny from Zamboanga. Delta Yankee 4, Papa Romeo Sierra, Tito Carlo from Bulac, Kamsur. Delta Yankee 3, Uniform Papa Mike, Tito Raymond from May Kawayan, Bulacan. Delta Yankee 3, Echo Tango Charlie, Tito Emelito or Lito from Balagtas, Bulacan. Delta Victor 7, Foxtrot Golf Alpha, Tito DJ from Cebu City. Delta Yankee 4, Foxtrot Romeo Delta from Iriga, Kamsur, and Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Tito JC from Batangas. Your stations are now logged and clear. 73.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo.
Copy that, Tito Mar. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. Good evening, Tito Mar. Welcome to Dex 1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo, transmitting from Binyan, Laguna. Supporting the net, no more traffic, 73, mabuhay, God bless.
Likewise, God bless, 73. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Mar. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo is now loud and clear. For Golf 1, Tango, Lima Hotel, Mike, good evening on Portable. Welcome to Dex 1 FirstNet. location mo, Mike? Okay, copy that. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Mike, and thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Tango Lima Hotel on Portable on QTH is now loud and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Isa pa, Tito.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
For Hotel 1, Delta, Sierra Papa, Andel, Delta Suabe, Sariaya, Quezon.
Is that for Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa?
USL, Tito.
Okay, acknowledge si Kadani ng Sariaya from the group DX1 EBM. Okay na yan. For Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa, Kadani from Sariaya, Quezon, from the group DX1 EBM. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
DU1 November Tango Zulu. Tito Bani, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Ruth Boy. Good evening all around. Joining the net, 73. QRU.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Bani. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 November Tango Zulu, is now loud and clear.
For I1 AGJ.
For I1 AGG, nakabalik na. Maaga dumating. From the group, HL, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Hey, good evening, Ruth Boy, and good evening, all station. Just checking in and supporting our net at 73 dyan at ingat sa'yo, Ruth Boy.
Likewise, HL, ingat-ingat at mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, is now loud and clear. DV1 Zulu United Radio and QRP, Tito Mike from San Andres Bukid, one of the net control stations of DX1 Alpha Romeo. Mike, go ahead. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Taiwan Yankee Mike Oscar.
Maraming salamat sa paalala, Mike, at kailangan nating linisin ang ating radyo bago gamitin na 73. Manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Maraming salamat, Tito Mike, sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. DV1 Zulu Uniform Romeo is now loud and clear.
For Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, coordinate.
Okay, copy. For Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert, please stand by. Yun, nakasabay po, pakibalik. for Del 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, Tito Arnel, please stand by. Any more stations? Calling the station of Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Likewise, Tito Ruth Boy, Tito Cesar, Tito Nelson, magandang gabi sa DX1 PIS. Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar po, nagpapatala. Wala pong ganong mensahe. Bumabati po ng mabuhay 73. Good morning for tomorrow. And transmit. Magandang gabi, Tito Ruth Boy.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Gilbert, pinapaalala lang sa inyo at pinababalita na patuloy ka lang mag-check-in o sa ugnayan dahil malapit muna pong makamit ang inyong spot para ma-qualify sa raffle draw. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, is now loud and clear.
Forget t-shirt.
Copy mo, Tito Nelson, dyan. Mukhang malapit sa iyo dyan, ha.
Pakibalik nga po yung yung nag-check-in. Nawala dito, nadinig ko eh.
Sige, balik na lang. Okay, Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, Tito Arnel, good evening, welcome to the X1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Arnel. Also, we would like to inform you that you, as to this date, malapit ka na rin ma-qualify sa ating raffle draw. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, is now loud and clear. Pakibalik po yung may Sierra X-ray. Okay, copy. DU1 Sierra X-ray Whiskey and 4-1 Mike Yankee Victor. Tita JJ, please stand by. Pakibalik po yung nakasabay. Okay, nawala. Okay, calling the station, DU1 Sierra X-ray Whiskey. Good evening, Tito. Go ahead, please advise your name, location, and the club. Okay, go ahead, Tito Dan, from the group Fox Incorporated. Go ahead. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dan, and thank you for supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Sierra X-ray Whiskey, is now loud and clear.
For I1 Mike Victor India.
For I1 Mike Victor India, Julian and Robert, please stand by. Next station, 4-1 Mike Yankee Victor, Tita Gigi, one of the net control stations of DX1 Echo Romeo. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet. Likewise, God bless and stay safe, Tita Gigi. Mabuhay and thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. your station for India 1, Mike Yankee. Victor is now loud and clear.
For India 1, Zulu Zulu Sierra.
Okay, copy stations for India 1, Zulu Zulu Sierra, for Golf 1, Lima Delta Alpha, and DB1 Yankee Lima Lima. Please stand by. Okay, next station for India 1, Mike Victor India. The father and daughter station, Juliana and Robert. Good evening. Welcome to our GroupsNet.
Hi, Tito Root Boy.
Ayun. Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 POR, for the X1 PRSNet, Fry 1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana.
checking in, supporting our GroupsNet. No further traffic, 73.
Kuna na lang ano yan, ng size si Juliana. Tito Jun. Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Juliana and Robert. Thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now loud and clear. Next station for India 1, Zulu Zulu Sierra, together with for Golf 1, Lima Delta Alpha, Leo and Sharon. Good evening. Welcome to X1 PRSNet.
Gandang gabi, Tito Root Boy, kay Juliana. Uy, pwede ng class D yan. Yan, supporting you on your net edition sa X1 PRS with 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Alpha. Keep safe and keep healthy lagi po. Magandang gabi, 73.
Likewise, keep healthy and keep safe and mabuhay, Leo and Lady Sharon from the group Wapi, basta Wapi Happy. Thank you and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations for India 1, Zulu Zulu Sierra, and for Golf 1 Lima Delta Alpha are now loud and clear.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo, Tito Dan, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik. Okay, nothing heard. Okay, let's continue. DV1 Yankee Lima Lima. Tito Lino from DX1 Alpha Romeo Mike, one of the net control stations of their station. Good evening, Tito Lino. Welcome to DX1 PRSNet. Likewise, coming here, 5x4, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Tito Lino, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Yankee Lima Lima, is now loud and clear. Next station, 4G1 Lima Delta Kilo, from the group, our corporate auditor. Good evening, Tito Dan. Welcome to our GroupsNet.
Nawawala. Magandang gabi, Root Boy. Good evening to all station and monitor. Kenyan Zone, that's a neighbor kong si Robert. 73 and supporting our evening net call. No traffic at keep safe always. Mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dan, and thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now loud and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Time check, 8:57. Papa Mike, 3 more minutes to go before we close the net. Any more stations who would like to join the DX1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station, 4G1 PUR from Santa Rosa, Laguna, listening.
Tito, isa pang may pahabol.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Delta Uniform 9. Mike Echo Romeo. Andel Mike from Mindanao.
Okay, acknowledge the station of DU9, Mike Echo Romeo, Tito Mike from Mindanao. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
Isa pa, Tito.
Okay, go ahead.
Delta Whiskey 1. Victor Oscar Whiskey. Handel.
D1 Hotel Lima Victor for the net.
Pakibalik, Tito Nelson. Stand by yung nag-check-in. Tito Nelson, go ahead.
Delta Whiskey 1. Victor Oscar Whiskey. Handel is Mike from Mindoro.
Okay, copy that. Delta Whiskey 1, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Whiskey, Tito Mike from Mindoro. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Pakibalik po yung nag-transmit. Okay, 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. Tito Ermi, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ermi. At I would like to inform you also that you are almost on the list of station who will qualify for the raffle draw. Just keep on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is now loud and clear.
Permission uli.
Tito Nelson.
Delta Whiskey 8. Whiskey Alpha Hotel. Handel Roger Romeo Oscar. Golf Echo Romeo. Location, Kidapawan.
Acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel, Tito Roger from Kidapawan, who check in via Facebook apps. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform, for Golf 1 Papa uniform, Romeo for the relay. Okay, time check, 9:01. Papa Mike, any more station before we close the net? Last call for any station who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
D1 Hotel Lima Victor for the net.
DU1 Lima Hotel QSL.
D1 Hotel Lima Victor.
Oh, Tito Bani, DU1 Hotel Lima Victor together with Lima India. Hindi kita nabusesan agad, Tito Bani, pasensya na. Good evening, welcome to X1 FirstNet.
Walang problema. Magandang gabi rin sa iyo po nagpupugay at sumusuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng iyong aming papawid. Kasama ang aking may bahay, si Delta Yankee 1 Lima India. Keep safe po tayo lagi, Tito Root Boy.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Bani at Tita Leia. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong dalawang himpilan DU1 Hotel Lima Victor at Delta Yankee 1 Lima India ay nakatala na po at libre na. DV1 Yankee November Juliet, Tito Larry, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PRSnet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Yankee November Juliet, is now loud and clear. Any more station?
Lima Echo.
Ayun, habol. Delta Yankee 1 Lima Echo. Tito Lee, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Please join my station in for tonight's net, your log. Good evening, 73.
Thank you, 73, and mabuhay, Tito Lee. And also, we would like to inform you that you may be qualified for the raffle draw. Just continue on checking in, and hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Echo is now loud and clear.
Ilagay mo dyan.
Any more station for late check for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening? DU3 Foxtrot Sierra. Tito Sander, good evening. One of the net control stations of DX3 Latitude. Go ahead. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening, good boy, and to all fellow good evening. This is DU3 Papa Sierra, Lechet. Just joining supporting your living net call, 73, and God bless.
Likewise, God bless. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Sander. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU3 Foxtrot Sierra, is now loud and clear. Last call for any late check for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
I heard the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito Jun from UP Los Baños. Go ahead, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PRSnet.
Good evening, late check, good evening, control, good evening, DX1 PRS. 73 just porting the evening net, no further traffic.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Also, we would like to inform you that just continue on checking in for you may qualify for the raffle draw on December 19. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Whiskey, is now loud and clear. Okay, last call for any station for late check for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening.
Permission.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
For Golf 9, Juliet, Sierra Golf, Handel, Delta, Oscar Yankee, Camiguin.
Acknowledge the station of for Golf 9, Juliet Zulu Golf, Tito Doy ng Camiguin. Check in on Facebook apps. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo.
Isa pa. Delta Yankee 1, X-ray, India, India, Handel, Ariel, and Delta Yankee 1, X-ray, Kilo Lima. Walang handle tong isa eh.
Okay, Delta Yankee 1, X-ray, India, India, Tito Ariel. At saka, yung isa, anong prefix ng isa? Yung X-ray Kilo Lima?
DY1.
Okay, DY1, X-ray Kilo Lima. Okay, so, your two stations, Delta Yankee 1, X-ray India, India, and Delta Yankee 1, X-ray Kilo Lima, are now logged and clear. 73. Mayroon pa ba dyan, Tito Nelson? Sa GC, hindi ko na-check.
At ito, yung X-ray Kilo Lima, Catherine Joy pala yun.
Pakibalik?
Yung handle nung X-ray Kilo Lima is Catherine Joy. Inihabol eh.
Mahabol mo yung location.
Tito, location, baka nadidinig mo ako.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee 1, X-ray Kilo Lima, Tita Catherine Joy, from what place? Anyway, update na lang later. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
Meron pa.
Meron pa?
Delta Yankee 3, Whiskey, Yankee Romeo, Jing.
Yankee 3 yan, Delta Yankee 3.
QSL Tito, DY3, WYR, Andel Jing.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee 3, Whiskey Yankee Romeo, Tito Jing. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
DW4, Papa Romeo Delta, Peter, Catanduanes, Islacom.
Acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 4, Papa Romeo Delta, Tito Peter from Catanduanes. I'm from the group Islacom. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
DY3, India, Bravo Yankee, Ivory, May Kawayan, Bulacan.
Ako, na-stuck.
Copy the station of Delta Yankee 3, India Bravo Yankee, Tita Ivory from Ikawen, Bulacan. Your station is now loud and clear. 73. Any more station? Tito Nelson, 4 Hotel 1 Lima, Charlie Uniform for G1PUR. Standing by.
Yung QTH lang Tito nung dalawa, yung X-ray Kilo Lima tsaka si X-ray India India is lower antipolo.
Okay, copy that, lower antipolo. Maraming salamat, Tito Nelson. Okay, no more.
Delta Whiskey 4.
Go ahead.
Delta X-ray 4, India, Charlie, Golf, Catanduanes, Islacom.
Handle yan, Tito Nelson.
Nalista mo na?
Delta Whiskey 4 ba siya, ang prefix niya?
Itong isa pala may Delta Whiskey 4, Papa Romeo Delta, with the handle of Peter Jan from Catanduanes, tsaka yung DX4 ICG Islacom.
DX ang ano niya, ang kanyang prefix, DX4.
Yun yata yung group niya, DX4 ICG Islacom.
Pero yung call sign niya,
Delta Whiskey 4 Papa Romeo Delta, with the handle of Peter Jan.
Okay. Akala ko another station sa. So, copy na yung si Delta Whiskey 4 Papa Romeo Delta. Ito Peter Jan, Catanduanes from the group Eslacom. Okay.
For Hotel 1, Bravo, Juliet, Romeo, Andel, Betong Jr., DX1, Charlie Whiskey, Valenzuela City.
Si Tito Betong, for Hotel 1, Bravo, Juliet, Romeo, Tito Betong ng Valenzuela. Anong group ni Tito Betong?
Delta X-Ray 1, Charlie Whiskey.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Hotel 1, Bravo, Juliet, Romeo, Tito Betong ng Valenzuela from the group DX1 CW. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
For Golf 1, November, Tango, late check.
Ayun, nakahaba. Tito Nick, for Golf 1, November, Tango, one of the net control stations of DX1 ART and board member. Good morning. Good evening, Tito Nick. Go ahead. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Boy. Good evening, Kuya Nelson. For Golf 1, November, Tango, Nick po ng Taytay Rizal. Just joining and supporting the DX1 PRS net call. 73 Maboy po. I-add ko na rin lang kayo sa aking log. Maraming salamat.
Salamat, Tito Nick.
Thank you, Tito Nick. Pakilag na lang 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. And would like to inform you that you are about to be qualified on the raffle. Just continue on checking in. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1. November, Tango is now loud and clear, 73.
DB9, India, Yankee India, Handel, Inday from Agusan del Sur, Mindanao.
Pakibalik pa, Whiskey. Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey Echo India, QSL. Okay, DU1 Whiskey India Echo. Oh, Tito Ed, good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Double check in.
Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ed. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, is now loud and clear, 73.
DB9 India, Yankee India.
Okay, DB9 India, Yankee India, yung name and location, Tito Nelson.
Handel is Inday from Agusan del Sur, Mindanao.
Acknowledge the station of DV9 India, Yankee India, Tita Inday from Agusan del Sur. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
Delta Yankee 3, Foxtrot, Romeo Foxtrot, Jing ng Masantol, Pampanga. Okay lang yan.
Yan, Tito Nelson, Masantol, Pampanga.
QSL, Tito.
And the name is Jing, Juliet India November Golf.
QSL.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee 3, Foxtrot, Romeo Foxtrot, Tita Jing from Masantol, Pampanga. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
4F3, X-Ray Echo Sierra, Handel, Chris. From Tarlac City, from the group DX3D Delta, DX3 Delta.
Chris, KRIS.
Charlie, Romeo, India, Sierra.
Acknowledge the station of 4 Fox 3 X-Ray Echo Sierra, Tito Peace from Tarlac, from the group DX3 Delta. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
Okay lang, Tito Rotboy?
Go ahead, no problem.
DU9, Papa, Juliet, Romeo, Andel, Joshua, Juliet, Oscar, Sierra, Hotel, United Alpha, from Lanao del Norte.
Yung group affiliation niya kaya?
Wala nakalagay dito.
Okay, acknowledge the station of DU9, Papa Juliet Romeo, Tito Joshua from Lanao del Norte. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
DW5, Alpha, Uniform, Delta, Andel, Pax, Papa Alpha, X-Ray, from Isabel, Leyte.
Ano, pabalik po, Tito Nelson, yung kanyang name?
Handel, Papa, Alpha, X-Ray.
Acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 5 Alpha Uniform Delta, Pax, maybe Tito Pax, Isabel Leyte. Your station is now loud and clear, 73.
Meron abroad.
Go ahead, kunin natin.
Kilo, Bravo, Zero yata to. Kilo, Bravo, Zero, or Oscar, Sierra, Delta, Quebec. Andel Douglas, Southern Leyte, Florida, USA.
Pakibalik yung kanyang call sign.
Kilo, Bravo, Zero. Zero as in zero yung bilog. Sierra, Delta, Kilo. Quebec. Quebec.
Acknowledge the station of Kilo Bravo Zero, Sierra Delta, Quebec, Tito Douglas from Florida, USA. Your station is now loud and clear, 73. Mayroon pa, Tito Nelson.
DW2, Golf, Hotel Echo, Handel, Gerald, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Alpha, Lima, Delta, Gerald, Baguio City. Affiliation, Deltan, Zigzag Base.
Makabalik yung ano niya, yung affiliation, Delta.
Deltans, Delta Echo Lima Tango Alpha November Sierra. Zigzag base.
Delta Echo Lima Tango Alpha.
Tango Alpha November Sierra. Putya, patay tayo to.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 2 Golf Hotel Echo, Tito Gerald from Baguio City, from the group, ano ba to? Delta NAS? Is that QSL?
Deltans.
Oh, okay, Deltans. Okay, copy that. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
DW4 November Sierra Oscar. QTH Kataingan Masbate. Andel November Echo United Romeo.
And Kataingan.
QSL Tito Charlie Alpha Tango Alpha India November Golf Alpha November Masbate.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 4 November Sierra Oscar Tito Noor from Kataingangon Masbati. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
Go ahead na Tito, wala na eh.
Wala na ba? Naubos din. Okay, before we close the net, I would like to do some recap, a fast recap for the following stations. So check in for tonight, starting with DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, Fortel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. Fortel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, 4 Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, Fortel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, Delta Whiskey 3 Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar. 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima, 4 India 1 Mike Whiskey Sierra, Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike, Delta Yankee 3 Papa Charlie Whiskey, 4 I1 Papa Uniform Victor. 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, DU1 Sierra Mike Quebec, 4 1 Bravo Delta Golf, 4 India 1 Echo Bravo Hotel, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Lima Papa, 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. DW1 Romeo X-Ray Papa, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, 4 Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Delta Zulu 1 Charlie. Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, DV1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, 4 Hotel 1 Victor Uniform 4 India 1 Yankee Quebec Juliet. Delta Yankee 3 Delta Uniform Victor, Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Delta Yankee 4 Papa Romeo Sierra, Delta Yankee 3 Uniform Papa Mike, Delta Yankee 3 Echo Tango Charlie, Delta Victor 7 Foxtrot Golf Alpha, Delta Yankee 4 Foxtrot Romeo Delta, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Oscar Zulu. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Alpha Romeo, 4 Golf 1 Tango Lima Hotel, Delta Sierra Papa, Fortel 1 Delta Sierra Papa, DU1 November Tango Zulu, 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet, DV1 Zulu Uniform Romeo. Fortel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Fortel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, DU1 Sierra X-Ray Whiskey, 4 India 1 Mike Yankee Victor, 4 India 1 Mike Victor India, For India 1, Zulu, Zulu, Sierra, for Golf 1, Lima, Delta, Alpha. DV1, Yankee, Lima, Lima, for Golf 1, Lima, Delta, Kilo, DU9, Mike, Echo, Romeo, DW1, Victor, Oscar, Whiskey, for Golf 1, Echo, Hotel, November, Delta, Whiskey 8, Whiskey, Alpha, Hotel, DU1, Hotel, Lima, Victor, Delta, Yankee 1, Lima, Lima, India, Yankee, DV1, Yankee, November, Juliet. Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Echo, Echo, DU3, Foxtrot, Sierra, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen, Echo, Whiskey, 4 Golf 9, Juliet, Zulu, Golf, Delta Yankee 1, X-Ray, India, India, Delta Yankee 1, X-Ray, Kilo, Lima, Delta Yankee 3, Whiskey, Yankee, Romeo. DW4, Papa Romeo Delta, Delta Yankee 3, India Bravo Yankee, 4Tel1 Bravo Juliet Romeo, 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango, DV9, India Yankee India, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, Delta Yankee 3, Foxtrot Romeo Foxtrot, 4 F3, X-Ray Echo Sierra, DU9 Papa Juliet Romeo, Delta Whiskey 5 Alpha Uniform Delta, KV0 Sierra Delta Quebec, DW2 Golf Hotel Echo, and DW4 November Sierra Oscar.
Tapos na?
Tapos din, these are the total of 84 stations, so check in for tonight.
May humahabol, Tito. May humahabol, 3.
Okay, go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Mabilisan na lang ito. Ano lang, paano lang. DB9, HQR from Davao. Andel Ronald.
Okay, copy. DB9X Craig, Quebec, Romeo, handle Tito Ronald from Davao. Mayroon pa?
DY3, Papa Lima Bravo, Plaridel Bulacan, Andel Wilfredo.
Copy. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Lima Bravo, Tito Fredo from Bulacan. Your 2 stations are now loud and clear.
Wala na, Tito. Maraming salamat.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for the relay. And continue on my last statement. We would like to inform, or we would like to thank the 86 stations who check in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat lagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating, sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan.